These old mailboxes were damaged, vulnerable to break-ins, and outdated. Replacing them is a capital improvement. It improves safety, boosts curb appeal, and shows that everyone cares about the community. The new mailboxes are secure, easy to use, and improve the park's appearance. Small upgrades like this foster pride and contribute to a safer environment. You need an experienced installer who can coordinate with the post office to ensure a smooth installation. If you're placing cluster boxes in a new location, make sure to get approval first. Compare prices, ask for bulk discounts, and request information about replacement keys for future needs. Once the master locks are installed, new individual keys will be delivered to each tenant. Projects like these aren't just maintenance, they're capital improvements. They make the park safer, more welcoming, and show that we care.